Dog groomers are responsible for keeping dogs clean, healthy, and looking their best. They wash, trim, and style fur, clip nails, clean ears, and check for any skin problems or health issues. Groomers work with dogs of all breeds and sizes, making sure each one is comfortable and well cared for during the process. The job requires patience, confidence around animals, and the ability to handle nervous or excitable dogs. Beginners usually earn around £15,000 to £18,000 a year, while experienced groomers can make between £20,000 and £30,000. Those who run their own business or mobile grooming service can earn more, sometimes over £40,000, but this depends on the number of clients and services they offer. Some high-end groomers who cater to luxury clients or specialize in show dogs can earn even more. There are no formal qualifications needed to become a dog groomer in the UK, but training helps. Many start by taking courses like a Level 2 or Level 3 diploma in dog grooming, or learning on the job through apprenticeships. Some groomers gain experience by working in pet salons or kennels before setting up their own business. Good customer service skills and a love for animals are essential for success in this career.